just coming up very shortly. Danny Pedrosa here. Actually, he's looking to 2:14.866 for Danny Pedrosa. Alex Rins is on a decent lap.
So it's Danny Pedrosa from Bradley Smith. He's also been in discussions with HRC about being on the test ride. He said, pure and simple, we'll find out in the next few weeks about what Danny Pedrosa's plans are. Here's Scott Redding there. We said he was in rain tyres. He's got straight into the groove here as Redding. What about his second sector? Here he comes down, has a good long look over his left shoulder. This is brilliant by Scott Redding. He's up by 0.7 of a second.
Bradley Smith is firing it. 1.5 seconds up in sector 2. This is open.
This is going to be tight for Redding. I think he may just jag one more crack at this. It'll be tight, but he may well just have enough time to get in one more lap. Behind Danny Pedrosa, this is a stonking lap coming in from Bradley Smith. Danny Pedrosa's rolled out. I think it will be.
I think his soft tyres have gone.
Rins made a shocking mistake in sector 3. Alex Rins was on in the first 2 sectors. He's lost 3. He's out by just over 1/10 of a second. He did get over the line for one more crack at it.
Smith has smashed them.
He's destroyed.
He's straight in. I don't think anyone's got. There's no doubt about it. Long get one more lap in. So who joins Bradley Smith? Because I think Bradley with another lap in to one up by 2/10. But Danny's up by 2/10 as well, and Happy has here. It's actually mighty close to joining Danny Pedrosa in the sort of late touche.
Tailor-made conditions for him. He's down in 13th place on last ride. That's in this session. It's all down to the likes now of Luty, Rins.
Session.
Scott Redding's lost a bit of time in sector 2. He's trailing fellow rookie Happy Cyrene. These two locked in a real tight tussle. It's a good lap in. He's coming in from Redding. This may well be good enough for second place, right? Nearly over the line now. Yeah, he goes second. 2:13.945. It's down to
Redding coming into Brooklands corner now. He lost time, didn't he, in that 4th sector?
Last at the moment, perhaps he's the shocker for the Ecto rider. What about Scott Redding? Massive Silverstone 5 years ago in Moto2. It's a late show from Redding. Oh, he's not done it. He's Tom Luty.
Luty and Rins. Rins is coming. Here he is. He'll be first. The number 40 out of Q1. Across the line he does. A 2:13.7.
Coming now through that final corner. Here he comes through Woodcote. In those last couple of sectors. And right at the end there, the two might be the S-men just miss out.
GP Mania, Bradley Smith dan juga Alex Rins berhasil masuk ke kualifikasi kedua. Jangan kemana-mana, kita akan kembali sesaat lagi.